Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, the if statement is used for conditional execution of code blocks based on certain conditions. When working with lists in Python, you often need to perform conditional operations on list elements. This tutorial will guide you through using the if statement with lists in Python, providing explanations and code examples along the way. Lists in Python are ordered collections of items. They are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after they have been created. Lists can contain elements of different data types, such as integers, strings, or even other lists. The if statement in Python evaluates a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. When working with lists, you can use the if statement to check if certain conditions are met for list elements. You can use the in operator to check if an element exists in a list. Output. You can use the if statement to filter elements from a list based on certain conditions. Output. You can also modify elements in a list based on certain conditions using the if statement. Output. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the if statement with lists in Python. You can now perform conditional operations, filter elements, and modify lists based on specific conditions. Experiment with these examples and explore further to deepen your understanding of using if statements with lists in Python. Happy coding! ChatGPT